So you're ready to hit campgrounds across America as a camping couple, or maybe as a family, but you don't want to break the bank to get a new travel trailer. Well, then it's time to check out the conventionally built Gulf Stream Enlighten. Today I'm going to walk you through and around an Enlighten, show you the interior and exterior features, and talk to you a bit about towing one. Once you step inside a Gulf Stream Enlighten, you'll notice how bright it is. This brightness is courtesy of overhead LED lighting. Also overhead is a 13,500 roof-mounted AC unit centrally located to allow the unit to push its sweet, cool air around the cabin quickly. It's pretty nice at Gulfstream to put in such a big blower, honestly. And at your feet is high-performance vinyl flooring throughout the cabin, which is much easier to clean than carpet. You'll get some spots to rest your bones as well. Most will have a booth dinette, while some will have a jackknife sofa, and others will sport a combo. Either way, there's a place for your bod to go, after an adventurous camping day. The windows are radius safety glass, which is nice. And when you need to darken it up, you have pleated shades to pull down. And the valances have a designer's touch with their fabric wrapping. As for the Enlighten kitchen, you can certainly whip up your camp meals. To sizzle, you'll get a 2-burner gas cooktop. If you forget and leave the gas on, you'll know, as the Enlighten has a combo propane and carbon monoxide detector. For faster sizzle, there's a microwave, and as for storage, the Enlighten sports a surprisingly large fridge to keep your vittles chilling. A 10 cubic foot 12-volt beauty. For storage of your canned goods and fruity pebbles, you'll get overhead craft-made cabinetry with designer pulls. Plus, most models will have a pots and pans drawer, which is very convenient. For washing everything from your hands to lettuce to a frying pan, the Enlighten has a high-rise faucet in the kitchen, coupled to a sink, which is coupled to a laminated countertop with vinyl T-molding. Now, most models have the same laminated countertop with vinyl T-molding in the bathroom as well, but select models will come with a mirrored medicine cabinet, and all come with a fully functioning shower with a multifunctional shower wand. Now, you may need a magic wand to fall asleep, but I do not, given that the bed is actually comfy. The Gulf Stream Enlighten has a large bed, most of them having a standard queen size. Plus, for your guests, you'll get a convertible dinette or jackknife sofa, and of course the bunkhouses will have bunks. These bunks have teddy bear mattresses, which are quite comfortable as well. Also, to aid in your sleep, I like to fall asleep to a little bit of music, which you can do as well, as the Enlighten has USB ports to keep your phone charged so you can listen to some of your favorite tunes. Now, as for the Enlighten exterior, you'll get a power awning so you can be outside and not have the outside be on you, if you catch my drift. You'll also have the outside stay off your Enlighten a bit via a diamond plate lower front where rocks from the road can bounce off and cause very little lasting harm. Now, most Enlighten models give you some storage on the exterior as well via pass-through storage. It's great for camping gear. Enlightens also give you stability. Once you're level, you have a pair of rear stabilizer jacks that help prevent you from rocking. Now, if you want to rock, you can. The Gulf Stream Enlighten has an optional Bluetooth stereo with a pair of indoor and a pair of outdoor speakers. Other options for the Enlighten include a bedspread, spare tire, and a power tongue jack. What's not an option? Making sure you have a tow vehicle able to safely handle taking an Enlighten travel trailer on the road. So the Enlighten line runs from 21 to 37 feet, and they have a dry unloaded weight from 2,800 to 5,400 pounds, with a gross weight maximum from 3,800 to 7,600 pounds. So the question is, can you tow an Enlighten with an SUV? Yeah, you can. Depending on your model and trim level, a midsize SUV like a Nissan Pathfinder or Jeep Grand Cherokee can handle the smaller Enlighten models, while a larger SUV like a Dodge Durango or Ford Expedition can haul around a larger and loaded to maximum GVWR Enlighten. For trucks, the smallest would be a midsize truck, as the majority will be able to tow an Enlighten at its maximum GVWR. Examples of these trucks are like a Chevy Colorado, Ford Ranger, and GMC Canyon. Of course, any truck larger will be able to handle Enlighten with absolute ease. If your towing capacity is hard to find, like the owner's manual has disappeared from your glove box along with your power bars, just head on over to your nearest Camping World and they can figure out your tow capacity. Happy camping! I hope it's an enlightening experience.